Hey mathematicians, welcome to Unit of Study. Let me just refresh here talking about multiples and factors. A factor is a number that we multiply with another number to get a product. A multiple is the product of a given number, so a specific number, and another factor multiplied together. So a multiple is like if we were taking the number 4 and we wanted to find the multiples, we would multiply 4 by a different factor. So 4 times 2 would give us 8. So 8 would be a multiple of 4. Whereas if we were thinking of the factors of 4, we would say what two numbers multiply together, what numbers multiply together to equal 4? Well, 2 and 2, so 2 is a factor, and 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 are factors. So 1, 2, and 4 are factors. So factors are the numbers that kind of multiply together to make a product. Multiples are a number times something else. It is a multiple, okay? So let's kind of talk about factors of 8. What numbers can we multiply together to equal 8? Well, I know that 1 is always a factor of a number. 1 and itself. So 1 times 8 equals 8. I also know that 2 times 4 equals 8. So 2 times 4 equals 8. So far I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. 1, 2, 4, and 8. And I think that's all the factors. So if I'm saying the factors of 8, I would say 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now if I'm thinking of multiples, I'm thinking 8 times a number is a multiple. So I'm just going to start out easy and say 8 times 1, 8 times 2, and 8 times 3. So 8 times 1 gives me 8, 8 times 2 gives me 16, and 8 times 3 gives me 24. So my multiples of 8 would be 8, 16, and 24. These are not all the multiples because I keep on going. 8 times 4 would give me 32. So 32 would be a multiple because I can multiply 8 times something to get that number. So just a refresher here, or in summary, our factors are numbers that multiply together to equal our number. So 1, 2, 4, and 8 are all my factors of 8. My multiples of 8 are 8 times another number. So 8 times 1 is 8, so 8 is a multiple. 8 times 2, 16 is a multiple. 8 times 3, 24 is a multiple. So what you're going to be doing today is you are going to be working on this Padlet. If it doesn't show up for some reason, you can go ahead and click the link and it'll take you to the Padlet. You're going to create a new Padlet and you're going to put your name. And then you're going to say the factors of 9 and the first 4 multiples of 9. So I'm going to say factors of 9, and then I'm going to list the factors. So these aren't the right factors, but maybe 1, 2, 4, and 8, like I had for 8. And then multiples of 9, I'm going to say the ones that I had for 8. So I'm going to write them down. Once I am done with that, I am finished. I can move on to the next thing. So make sure you're posting your reply here.